Is your engine shaking or struggling to stay running while you are sitting at a red light in the middle of traffic? If you see the check engine light flashing and your scanner reads the code P0304, it means your computer has detected a misfire specifically in cylinder number 4. This is a serious issue because a misfire means that the air and fuel mixture in that specific cylinder is not exploding correctly, which can lead to permanent engine damage or a ruined catalytic converter if you keep driving. You might find that your car is much harder to start in the morning, or it might stumble and hesitate whenever you try to merge onto the freeway. The most common causes for this are a worn-out spark plug or a failing ignition coil pack, but it could also be a clogged fuel injector or even a loss of compression in the engine. A quick way to diagnose this yourself is to swap the ignition coil from cylinder number 4 to another cylinder to see if the misfire code follows the coil or stays on the same cylinder. If the code changes to a different number, then you know you just need a new coil, but if it stays on number 4, you should inspect the spark plug for any signs of fouling or damage. If you start smelling a strong odor like rotten eggs coming from your exhaust, it is a sign that your catalytic converter is being overwhelmed by unburned fuel and you need to stop driving immediately to avoid a very expensive repair bill. While replacing spark plugs is a standard maintenance task, if you find that the problem is related to low compression or a burned exhaust valve, you will need a professional mechanic to perform a leak down test and internal engine repairs. Do not let a small misfire turn into a total engine failure, so address that cylinder number 4 issue as soon as you feel that first stumble.